Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to play solo ranked on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already log in into your Mobile Legend account, you can choose the menu with the ranked like this. For this video, my ranked is only Legend 4. And if you want to play solo ranked, you can simply click the ranked mode. Okay, but first you need to make sure that your account is already have to play the ranked mode. Okay, and then you can click the ranked mode, and if you already like this, you can click start the game. Just wait for a second for this time it estimated for 14 seconds, and then after this you can click OK and waiting for others. And this is the draft pick pass. If you already legend, you will be like this, okay, when you drafting pass. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.